What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Hustle or Stay Basic channel, the Invest or Stay Basic segment. As always, the intent of this segment is to help you make better investing decisions on your investing journey. I'm your host, KG, and today I'm going to talk about an undervalued stock that I'm super bullish on. So this company has growing sales and earnings year over year. It's projected to do 2x sales in 2020 compared to 2019. And almost 3x 2019 sales in 2021. That's not all though. The value of the product they sell has gone up 25% in 2020 as well. But wait, there's more. They have one of the cleanest balance sheets I've ever seen. So if you owned this stock in 2020, how do you think it would have performed in this crazy bull market? Up 10%, 20%, 50%, maybe even 100%? Well, I'm here to share with you that the stock that I'm talking about is actually down 4% in the last 12 months, which is absolutely insane to me. All right, so let's not waste any time and take a look at what the company is. The company I'm talking about is Kirkland Lake Gold, ticker symbol KL. And Kirkland is a gold mining stock. As you see here, I have a little blurb here. It's a growing gold producer operating in Canada and Australia and is on track to produce 1.35 to 1.4 million ounces of gold. Let's go take a quick look at the sales numbers. So as you can see historically, from 2016 to 2019, Kirkland Gold has performed very well. They were doing 0.4 or 400 million actually in sales and got all the way up to over 1.3 billion in sales in 2019. What I really like about the stock though is that it's performed really well during the pandemic. Actually, it's had its best quarter ever during the pandemic. Most of that aided to gold, but let's just take a look at this figure right here. They did over $600 million in sales in Q3 2020. That's almost what they did in all of 2017. That's really impressive. So I mentioned that their sales are attributed to the price of gold. So let's quickly take a look at the price of gold over last year. From the start of 2020 to the end of 2020, gold has gone from $1,500 an ounce to $1,900 an ounce, actually even crossing the $2,000 an ounce threshold at one point. I have this metric here, all-in sustained costs, AISC. And essentially what that means is for each ounce of gold that Kirkland Lake mines, it costs them $790 to $810, which if we're looking at the price of gold today of $1,900, that means Kirkland Gold pockets $1,100 for every ounce of gold mined. That's an insane margin. As you guys know, one of the things I like looking at are PE ratios between companies within the same industry. So let's quickly take a look at some of the companies within the gold mine industry and how the PE ratios fare compared to Kirkland Gold. So Kirkland Gold has a forward PE of 10.36, and the gold miners industry average is 20. So already it's half of what the industry average is. But let's go take a look at some industry leaders. So I got Barrick Gold, Franco-Nevada, and Eagle Mines. All of these companies have a significantly higher forward PE ratio than Kirkland Gold, which leads me to believe that Kirkland Gold is undervalued. But what's really interesting is these companies have performed really well over the last 12 months. Barrick Gold is up 32%. Franco-Nevada is up 27%. Eagle Mines is up 21%. But Kirkland Lake is down 4%. This leads me to believe that there's still a lot of upside for Kirkland Lake Gold in 2021. Just a quick look at the balance sheet. Some of the things I just really like looking at is how much cash does the company have and how much debt does the company have. This is one of the best balance sheets I've seen. Kirkland Lake Gold has $848 million in cash and $26 million in total debt. That's current and long-term debt. That's insane. That's a really good balance sheet. Let's go take a look at what some analysts are saying about the stock. So analysts have a projected price target of $60 a share, and they're predicting that Kirkland Lake Gold will do $1.46 billion in 2020 and $2.7 billion in 2021. Now think about this. Kirkland Lake Gold did $1.3 billion last year. When I say last year, I mean 2019. So to go from 1.3 billion to 2.46 and then also potentially go up to 2.7 billion is absolutely insane. Now, I'd probably disagree with the $60 price target. Personally, I think Kirkland Lake Gold should be around the $65 to $70 range, and that's where I'll be looking to sell. If everything I said did not make you bullish on this stock, here's another reason to be bullish on Kirkland Lake Gold. Warren Buffett, who has been notoriously vocal about being anti-gold, bought $560 million worth of shares of a gold mining company in 2020. So, if Buffett's buying gold miners, he must know something. If I was to present a bearish case for Kirkland Lake Gold, it would probably be attributed to two things. One is, the institution shifting to Bitcoin and kind of leaving gold behind, which I can see happening, but just not that quickly. And second, the economy completely recovers. There's no inflation. Money stops getting printed by the Fed. And I just don't see that happening anytime soon. That's why I feel there's so much upside for Kirkland Lake Gold in 2021. All right, before I leave, I kind of want to share a story with you guys. I actually bought Kirkland Lake Gold at $51 a share earlier in the year because I was just surprised that it was at that price and I was super bullish on it. And I sold it later in the year for $70. During the Christmas break, I tend to review some of the trades that I've completed during the year. And I noticed that Kirkland Lake Gold was down at $52 a share. I quickly grabbed some, and I think the market themselves realized it was undervalued as well because it quickly jumped from $52 to $55 a share. And I was able to scoop some at $54 a share. Like I said earlier in the video, I'm probably going to sell my shares around the $65 to $70 range. By the way, this is not financial advice. Please go seek a financial advisor if you want to make investing decisions. These are just my opinion and what I'm doing. If you guys agree that Kirkland Lake Gold is undervalued or disagree, please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video to be valuable, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.